Hello guys, good morning. So please open your account and proceed to your weekly quiz. So as you can see, in all your subject, for example, in the computer programming interactive and in the other year level, they have another subject. So you can check your lessons. So I only enabled the 4 week and you need to take the quizzes of these 4 weeks. So the first thing you need to do is to take the quiz. For example, you need to study first the content. Of course, you need to study. So just study the content and don't forget to mark as completed. Then next thing is you need to take the quiz. So take quiz. So for example, for this one, please take note that you have only 30 minutes to complete the quiz and we have a timer. So you need to have at least 60% to pass and you have 2 attempts remaining. So once you fail for the first take, you can retake. So you have only 2 chances to take the exam. So as of now, I will give you 2 attempts, but in the next exam, so I will be providing 1 attempt only. So this is just for trial. So for now, since you need to start, so you can take 2 attempts. So to start, just click this button, start quiz. And as you can see, we have the questions and we have the options. So for example, which of the following is not benefits of using semantic HTML? So for example, this one. Then when should you use CSS grid over Flexbox? So takaan rin ako para madaling kuman ang demo. Okay. Daghan kini questionnaires. Okay, so as you can see, we have 23 questions. So submit. So mag-fail na siya. So ang fail is 39.13. So meaning fail siya. So if imo siya i-check, view answers. So namoy chance nga inyong i-review ang inyong answers. So naa diha ang questions, naa diha ang correct answer and then yung wrong answer. Then nagbutang sad ko og mga explanation nganong nasayop mo. So para makatuon pa jud mo unsay sayop sa inyong gi-answer. So since nag-fail man na siya, so pwede mo mag-retake. So if mobalik mo sa lesson, so na siya ay 39.13% nga fail score. So pwede na mo mag-start og lain nga quiz. So nanamoy another 30 minutes to retake. So if mag-fail mo sa duha, so what am I mo? Fail jud mo. Then if na may mga question, na ko gi-add diri nga chat functionality. So naka-open na si Ariel ug si Paulo. So pwede mo message. So pwede ra mo message din eh. Then makita na nako sa teacher nga portal if kinsa na yung mga naka-take. So diha mag-base sa inyong grado kay hapit na ang submission pa sa grades. Then wala pa ako naka-start sa inyong mga quizzes. Thank you.